Hi, I'm Roman. I'm from St. Petersburg, Russia. Earlier this year, I purchased an Anycubic photon 3D printer and naturally wanted to print something on my own design. Here's some tabletop miniatures I designed, all printed and painted. And here's my submission for this year's Anycubic 3D print design competition, the race.
What's up, you guys? This is Daniel Mitchell from the Anycubic design competition. I'd like to thank you guys for getting me into the top 10, and I'll appreciate it if you keep on supporting me throughout the final rounds. And yeah, this is my Western gun comb, designed for everyday use. You know, you gotta keep the stash and the beard and the hair looking good for all the gals out there. Yeah, thanks guys.
Hi to everyone, my name is José Rodriguez. I'm character artist, actually working in Ilion Animation Studios as character modeler, and today I would like to show you my new little friends, the thief and the faun. It's a personal project. I made the design and the 3D version, and to create the base I used Sculpey, and well, this is the result. I hope you like it. I don't know if you can see the details. It was a really funny project to do. And well, again, I hope you like it, and thanks to everyone. And especially I want to say thank you to Anycubic for the contest, and well, see you soon. Bye to everyone. Ciao.
Hi, I'm Richard, aka 8-Bit Builder. I've been building computer cases for about 10 years now. I've been using 1-inch wooden cubes for the last 8 years when I began, but now I just recently started 3D printing all my computer parts, and it's actually a lot easier and simpler since I don't have to glue and paint as much. I really do prefer printing, and I think I'm going to keep with it. Thank you guys.
Greetings, masters. Well, this is a prototype already working, so the link will be on the website on the video to download in the description. So this is magnets here, so you can just put it on anywhere, and there's a caveat on this model, which is actually very good for the price we pay. So for around €3 you get a lot more than I would expect. At first I thought this was broken because, as you can see, it's still cooling, and I've set it to 27 degrees. And then I started to read this Chinglish manual,